Okay, let's press Control Home to go back to the beginning of the document and go to the Tools menu and Macro and Macros. And let's observe the options there, and let's cancel out at the moment. And now let's scroll down, and we want to place the insertion point after installing Win3.x, and let's double click on the grey REC panel on the status bar, and let's type Windows Great in the macro name, and we want to select WordCore.doc under the store macro list and click OK. And now let's press the space bar and then type Windows 3.1 was great in its time. And then we'll click the stop recording button on the macro record toolbar, that little blue square. Now let's go to the Tools menu, Macro and Macros, and let's select Windows Great and click the Edit button, and now place the insertion point after the word time and type dash or space dash space, which was the early 1990s. And let's go to the File menu, and the close and return to Microsoft Windows option, and let's scroll down to the Running Windows heading on page 2 and place the insertion point after Running Windows and go to the Tools menu and Macros, and let's, with our macro selected, let's click Run. And there we are, it works. Let's go to the View menu, Toolbars, Customize, right at the bottom. And on the Toolbars tab, let's click New. And we'll call it Larabar. And from the drop arrow for Make Toolbar Available To, we'll select WordCore and click OK. And on the Commands tab, let's select Macro under the Categories list, and we want to select Project.NewMacros.Windows Great from the Commands list and drag the button to the new toolbar and click the Modify Selection button, and we want Windows Greater as the name, and enter, and then let's change the name, Windows Greater, and press enter. And then we can close that Customize window and place the insertion point after Running DOS Programs in Windows down on page 4. And let's click the button on our new toolbar. And now let's go to the View menu, Toolbars, Customize, and on the Toolbars tab, let's select Larabar down the bottom and click the Delete button and OK. And we can click click the Close button and close the Visual Basic toolbar if it's there, and let's go to the File menu, close, and no, we don't need to save.